Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'd like to announce a logo contest for Repair Preservation Group and Repair Preservation Group Action Fund. I have a website that was put together pretty quickly here that just kind of explains the basic concept of right to repair, and this is going to be the site that I have until we have time to put together a more proper looking website. So this kind of just explains some generalities, and it's just something that got tossed together pretty much quickly in a day. And what we are looking for is a logo. So I have a logo contest going on here, and each winner for each logo will get $500. So logo 1 is for Repair Preservation Group. Repair Preservation Group is a nonprofit organization with the mission to make independent repair affordable, accessible, and reliable for all people. Logo number 2 is for Fight to Repair, the legislative arm of Repair Preservation Group that is fighting legislative battles to further Repair Preservation Group's mission. So one logo is a Repair Preservation Group logo. The other logo is going to be a Fight to Repair logo. We are looking for 2 logos. Each one, the winner, will receive $500. The way to make a submission is to follow Fight to Repair on Twitter. I'll leave a link down below. And tweet at us with a hashtag #ReflowTheLogo. That's ReflowTheLogo. Submissions accepted until May 1st. The winner will be contacted by DM on Twitter. Just the nonsensical legal stuff. Repair Preservation Group will acquire the ownership of the winning logo by assignment of copyright, and the winning designer will disclaim any trademarks and without limitation all other rights related to the design. And by submitting a logo for entry in the competition, the designer acknowledges that he or she is the person that created the logo and is the rightful owner. The designer also certifies that the logo does not infringe upon the rights of any third party and that it does not violate any copyright. So we, again, looking for a logo, and we will be using that for everything going forward. Right now on Twitter, we're pretty much just using this ridiculous banner here and a low resolution capture from a 720p live stream of my face while testifying, which is fairly horrible. So we are looking for both of these. You can submit it in virtually any format. Do keep in mind that the best overall is going to win. You can submit it as an SVG vector to a sketch and a napkin. But again, at the end of the day, the best one will win. We will choose the winner, and that's it. So thank you very much, and as always, I hope you learned something. I hope to start using this Twitter a little bit more actively to tweet stuff about right to repair, and I also hope to start tweeting at more of the people that you all suggested in a recent live stream that I contact to show up on podcasts for. So I've reached out to a lot of people, and I have heard back from a very small number of them. Gamers Nexus is one of them. Thank you so much. We just got to come up with a video idea. But for the most part of all the people that you had suggested I reach out to in a recent live stream I did where I was just kind of taking down notes, I've heard back from virtually none of them, besides like 1 or 2 who didn't express much interest. So I am going to try using my Twitter a little bit more because, again, I think that may work a little bit better than just email. Also, it would be helpful if anybody here could follow this Twitter account, again, with the number of followers it has. It's kind of imbalanced from the channel right now. Again, like YouTube, 1.56 million. Twitter 600. It may help when contacting podcast hosts and people people in the news and the media, that when I'm looking to get coverage of what it is we're looking to do, to have an account here that has more followers than, let's say, Clinton the Cat. Now, that's it for today, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much, and we hope to be announcing a winner in the next 2 weeks, and we hope to have many good submissions for logos. Again, $500 per logo for the winners of the contest. See you all in the next video.